Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the latest version of Python in your PC. So first of all, we will download the Python application from internet and then we will install it into our computer and then we will run our first Python program. Okay, so let's start. First, you have to open the Google Chrome. So let me open that. After opening the Chrome, you just have to type here Python download. Press enter. So you will get the first link here. So just click on this link. So you can see download Python 3.11.4 button. So just click on here. So after clicking here, the Python applications getting downloaded. So my file has been downloaded. Now I have to open this file. So the file has been opened. Now let minimize it. Okay, so just click on the install now. It is showing that it is installing. So just wait for few minutes. So here you can see the setup was successful and then close this window. Okay. So for now, let's go to the search bar and type CMD. Press enter and you can see here the command prompt window has been opened. So here you will write py space double hyphen version. So here you can see Python 3.11.4. This version has been installed in our machine. And now if you want to perform some Python code, then you have to open the Python interface from here. Okay, so just type here py and press enter. So here you can write all your Python codes. So I am writing here print hello world. So you can see here the Python is completely installed in our PC and it is getting executed. So if you find this video is useful for you, then please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you. I will be there with a new video how to install PyCharm in your PC. Bye bye.